Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Maya Chantel, and today I'm going to be showing you the updated version of how I do my eyebrows. So basically over the years the way I do my eyebrows has changed, so I just wanted to show you guys. So I did my eyebrows two different ways. I started off with the pencil, and with the pencil I go in the middle or almost the middle of my eyebrow and fill in the end or the tail of my eyebrow. I try not to touch the beginning of my eyebrow at all. So I just fill in the areas. So after that, I go in with the spoolie and I just smooth everything out, comb it in, whatever you want to say. Just make sure that it's smooth. And yeah, pretty much. Next, I go in with the LA Pro concealer. This is way lighter than my skin tone, and I use it because it makes the eyebrows look sharper. And I also use it on the tail of my eyebrow, but not the whole thing. So this is the key to not having halo brows from my experience. So I just blend it all in, and blending is pretty important to me. I take my time doing it, which is why you see me doing it for so long. But yeah, just blend, blend, blend. And then I go on top of my eyebrow with concealer that is my color. And like I said, that's like the key to not having halo brows. It just kind of makes everything look a little more, not necessarily natural, but just like it goes together. And then I go in up under my eyebrow and cover up the lighter concealer. The lighter concealer basically just makes the eyebrows look sharper, in my opinion, like I just got them done. And yeah, so just blend it out, and as you can see the difference, and blend some more. And so now I'm going to be using the brow dip, and I just use this brow dip from e.l.f. I usually use just the pencil, but occasionally I will use the brow dip just to switch things up. And I'm just doing the same thing I did on the other one. And once I filled it in, I just go in with the LA Pro concealer and just repeating those steps. Sorry if it's not in focus. I was just trying to look on the mirror that's right beside me, so I didn't get in focus every single time. But I'm just repeating the steps from before. So I continue to blend, just repeating the steps that I did on the other eyebrow. Blend, blend, blend. And I try to sharpen up my tail with the concealer that is my color. My eyebrows don't necessarily grow that long, so I try to extend them with that concealer. Just make them look sharp. Yeah, doing that again. I pretty much eyeball my eyebrows. Anything that I see needs to be done, I try to fix them. They aren't necessarily, identical. They're more like sisters. So yeah, I just do the best that I can. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Please subscribe, like the comment, like the I'm sorry, like the video, comment for more, and yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye.